Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu says Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched Hazrat Abu Moosa and Hazrat Muaz bin Jabal towards Yemen as rulers and sent them to separate provinces, for Yemen comprised two provinces. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam urged both of them to show leniency and not to deal the people harshly, strive to please the people and not to render them offended. So both of them went to their respective provinces, and when any of them happened to visit his border areas adjoining the province of his companion, he would visit him and greet him. So once Hazrat Muaz radiyallahu anhu paid a visit to his border areas near to the province of Hazrat Abu Moosa radiyallahu anhu riding his mule. He reached him while he was sitting, and many people had surrounded him. Lo and behold, there was a man beside him with his hands fastened with his neck. He asked, O Abdullah bin Ois, why he has been tied? He replied, this man has lapsed back to infidelity after embracing Islam. He said, I will not dismount until he is killed. He said, he has been brought only for this purpose, so you may dismount. He said, I will not dismount until he is killed. So he issued orders to kill him, and he was killed. Then he dismounted and asked, O Abdullah, how do you recite the Quran? He replied, I recite it piecemeal. Then Hazrat Abu Moosa radiyallahu anhu inquired, O Muaz, how do you recite the Quran? He replied, I sleep in the first part of the night, then get up after enjoying sleep and recite the Quran as much as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu pleases. So I consider my sleep an act of a reward, as I consider my being awake for worship a reward. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4341 and 4342.